Somebody killed me, and it was intentional. Somebody killed me on purpose. And that somebody will pay their debt. If they don't, I will cut their heads off and feed them to the cows and pigs and bears and my little kid. So, stop clowning around. I already said that though, bastards.
Happy Halloween.
This time, don't kill me. If you want to have a good Christmas, you shouldn't make me angry. Ha 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 ha.